great work is mandatory. It's a must. If we want to continue to grow, if we want to get to the goals that we have set forth, then we have to put out great work. It's got to be the best.
What's up, guys? Dustin Jackson here with another episode of Shop Talk Tuesday. And today we're taking a road trip down to Orange Beach. We're going to load up our mobile unit and show you just how our detailers get down out on the road. So come on, follow along with me. We're going to head to Orange Beach and just see how it goes. So here we are in our mobile unit. I got Matt here. He's our road crew manager. And we're headed down to Orange Beach. More specifically, we're going over to Ono Island. And we're going to do a couple boats that we maintain on a weekly basis. And you're going to see how beautiful these things are. It's not bad scenery either, is it, Matt?
No, it's not.
All right, so we're going to head out. Let's show you how it goes. Let's roll. So when I mention that we have a mobile unit that will come to you, most people think, good Lord, I know that's expensive. But actually, we only charge for the mileage. Whatever service you choose, it's the exact same cost as it would be at the shop. Actually, when you go online and put in your address and book a detailing job, you get an estimate of how many miles it will take to get to your home and the amount that you're going to pay per mile. So here we are at a beautiful home on Ono Island, and our crew's down here working on a couple boats that we regularly maintain. So like you, if you were to book a job where we come out to you, whether you're here or not, we come in and take care of our work. So before we head that way, we're going to flip a notification that's going to let you know that we're en route. Of course, once we get here, we go ahead and let you know that the boat's in progress. And if we need power, we can bring our own. Or if we need water, we can do that as well. Sometimes it's more convenient to use yours if that's possible. So what we're doing today is a rinseless wash on these boats. We have Chris here performing that. And that's just a maintenance tile detail. But what you can see is we bring everything that we need on site. We don't have to bother you. We're not coming back and forth. We bring everything we need to get the job done, and then we leave. So I want to take you up here, show you our mobile unit, show you some of the things that we bring out on site so you can see that we're really packed, ready to travel. Let's just take a look and see what we got in here. So just so you know, this van is loaded every day specific to the job that we're coming to do. We're not toting around a bunch of extra chemicals or dirty towels or ladders and stuff if we don't need them. So as you can see, we got the power washer here, some longer hoses, got a basket with chemicals in here. Most of the chemicals they already have down on site since we're actually working. So these are just some extras in case we run low. Got the trash bucket here, got extra clean towels up front, and then of course the vacuum. Got a little bit of gas in case we run out in the power washer. So you can see we're prepared. When we show up to do your job, we know exactly what it's going to take, and we're going to bring the tools to get that job done. Now that I've showed you some of the tools that we use, we're actually got the guys making their transition from the inside of the boat to the outside where they're putting those tools to work. Now this is just simple brush and bucket where they're washing the outside. They can't do the rinseless wash because they can't reach everything. So we use our brushes with the really soft bristles and we soap this boat up. Now this is just one of our maintenance detail packages, but keep in mind, we can do any of our detail packages on the road. Whether it be ceramic coating or polishing seals, whatever, we have the tools and we have the ability to do whatever we need to do. We also have an inflatable raft. If we need to work in the water to get to the bottom of your boat, we can inflate that raft and get down there as well. So pretty much any job that you have that's detail required, we can handle it. Now let's talk about those big jobs. Here at EZN, just like I told you earlier, it doesn't matter what we're doing, from an express wash to a ceramic job, from little boats to this big Viking, we can take care of it. We're going to show up, we're going to take the tools that we need to do the job, and we're going to get it done. Now this just happens to be that same customer on Ono Island. We keep this thing up weekly. So we come in, do a good wipe down on it, make sure that everything's cleaned up, and this customer is ready to go. So whether he wants to take his guest out just for some entertainment, or they want to go reel in some fish and tear them up, we're here for him. And no matter how dirty he gets this boat, we're coming in every week to keep it clean for him. So you may be asking yourself, what about the quality? Well, of course, we have the same expectations whether we're out on the road or in our shop. we're going to make sure that every detail is performed to perfection. So just like this service, with any other service, you can go to EZNdetail.com and click Get My Estimate. Now, if you want us to come to you, you're going to need to enter your address. That's going to do it for this week's episode of Shop Talk Tuesday, and I'll see you next week.